Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to find the bin64/manager app.exe file. This should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So generally this will have to do with AMD graphics drivers, so go ahead and open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And into Google, we just want to type in AMD graphics drivers and just search for it. Where it says AMD drivers and support, it should be an AMD website here. Go ahead and just open that up. So all you would have to do here is where it says search for your product down on this page, go ahead and just select your product as well as selecting your graphics card and then the specific series number. You would submit it and then you would install the drivers that it would download. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.